I want to go over a stock that ran 23%, and that is Intel. Congratulations if you've made some money off of this ticker. We ended the week at $82.54, up a whopping 23.60%. This is where we ended. To the north side takes us to one level of resistance and a potential take profit area at 87.78. 91.95, and should we be so lucky as to get to this level, $96.27, that would take us to 4 standard deviations. I do not think we will get there on Monday, but you never know. But you can expect a pullback because that is at resistance. So if we wick up there, you know what's going to happen. Now, to the south side, takes us back to the middle of the trend and the baseline, and that is 79.37. That is one level of support and a potential buy-in area, or an area that we could just grind sideways for a little bit for consolidation. To the south side, 71.03. This gap closes at 66.83, right at -3 SD, and at -4 SD, 62.32. This is also another potential buy-in area, as well as a potential stop loss area. Now, I do own this ticker for myself and for my mom. And for my mom, I am up because I invest for her. 105.95% is the return. And for myself, I'm up 348.83%. And the reason I'm up more than she is I bought it for her, and then there was a rug pull. So then I got in because of the massive rug pull, and I'm not sure if I dollar cost average in for her or if I ran out of money for her, but nonetheless, her money rebounded, and I just bought really well. All right, so the reason we went up is because of this earnings report. The company brought in $13.58 billion, and the estimate was $12.42 billion. You can see the leg up from -2 all the way to 2 standard deviations. That is fantastic, amazing. Now you can expect consolidation, barcoding, grinding sideways, because you can't just keep going up and up. There is a tiny gap down here that will take us to 65.37 for a pullback as well. But look at this, we were just grinding sideways, and then here was a leg up as well. Now we do have gaps to the south side besides the 66.83. There's one that will take us to 44.23, which makes me want to sell and capture my gains, or at least for my mom, but I just can't do it. I don't know. But I did buy in at 47.30 for her, 43.60 for her, 41.20, 40.85, and 20.21. And then I bought in at, it looks like I bought in at 18, where this this hot pink line is. 18.39 is where I bought it for myself, so under 20 bucks. Not too shabby. You play the long game, and you typically win, just like in commodities, equities, and real estate. Let's take a look at this on the daily. Oh God, it's a hot mess. Never mind. I can read this for myself, but for you, I'll spare you the pain. Just know that I've tracked this for years. My top 3 tickers for the week, or the end of the week, was Intel, AMD, and MSOS. All right, that does it for me. I just finished the Gap and Go trades for the upcoming week, and if there's a ticker you want me to go over, let me know. Otherwise, have a fantastic trading week.